Hello everybody, Vol here. Welcome back to another episode of Volcraft, my single-player Minecraft survival series made for that extra bit of quarantine entertainment. After recovering our precious helmet and other supplies from the clutches of those pesky skeletons in our last episode, we had an insane urge to go down into the depths of the earth and look for some supplies. Discovered quite a few pockets of hot spring waters filled with a rich supply of iron and other naturally occurring resources. We also managed to find some hashtag let's get coal. Oh yeah, crispy. Outside, managed to tap into my inner farmer and planted some pumpkin seeds. These are the same seeds that we found downstairs in the skeleton chest, actually. After another grueling night of clearing out a mess downstairs, came back up to check on the pumpkins, and they were already grown. Can you believe it? Hashtag magic seeds or what? I took some stock of some of the supplies we gathered so far, and it still felt like we were missing something, so down we went again. I think at some point there was some skeletons or something. Yeah, I remember we had to gear up. We probably had this huge epic battle. Yeah, I think we definitely had an epic battle down there in the pit. Actually, I think I remember still feeling the urge to hunt even after that epic battle. and we even managed to get some friendly fish over for dinner. Yummy, yummy. The morning after, felt like inspiration hit me a little bit, or a lot. I was so inspired I didn't even know what I was building. I just know that it was a nice little art project. I'm sure you artists down in the comments know exactly what I'm talking about. In the end, I found I was so focused into that project that I suddenly found myself face to face with... Yup, diamonds! Woo! I couldn't even believe the intense feeling of hunger that I was feeling, like it was finally satiated. Actually, I felt so excited, and I think I must have passed out or something, because I don't actually remember what happened after that. Now, I gotta be honest here, I haven't exactly been feeling like myself lately, and I feel like I've just been working nonstop. Actually, uh, where even am I? Noise.